Welcome back to PPM Racing Products Tech Tuesday. I'm Hunter, and today we're going to be talking about our black belt helmet blowers. So to start off with, we're going to jump into the kit that you will receive when you order one. So when you open up the box, you'll see a bunch of components inside here. So the first thing we're going to start talking about is the wiring harness for this. Of course, on one end, it has your hot and your ground, and on the other end, it has the piece that plugs in and also screws onto your helmet blower. Now, with this wiring harness, you can run your helmet blower just about anywhere because this is roughly about 8 feet long. So that way, but most people put the blower right behind the driver on the down bar. Next up, we're going to talk about this little white package that you'll get. You open it up, it's pretty cool. It is a power converter. It takes it from 24 or 16 volts down to 12 volts or 5 amps. It's pretty cool. Little addition there for multiple applications. Next up is going to be the hose. This hose is a flexible hose and it is 3 foot extended. And again, most of the time when you put it on the down bar behind the driver, that's more than enough to get to you. But if not, we do offer a 7 foot hose. It is sold separate, but most of your kits come with a 3 foot. Next up, we're getting to the blower. In this blower, it is 3D printed. We offer multiple colors. As of the moment, we just stock black, blue, and red. If you want another color, give us a call at 865-354-9669 or order the color you want at ppmracingproducts.com and we can get it drop shipped to you. But to start off with, like I said, it is 3D printed. It has a hose clamp to tie it to the roll bar for any size up to 1 3/4. With this, I generally think it's safer as well. If you're worried about it slipping with just a hose clamp, you can put a zip tie around the bottom and the top to keep it more secure. So first off, what we're going to do is we're going to plug this baby up and hook it up to a battery. So you will plug it in, and once you plug it in, there's a little bitty roller screw right there. You'll just screw it onto the blower. That's good to go. Get your hose and stuff here. Let me turn this to you because it'll blow you away. Oh, the crap was up. So most of these systems, well, not most, all of these systems are 12 volt. With batteries, you can use a Milwaukee or DeWalt slide-in battery. We have the adapters for those. Or there's other applications such as there is a canister plug-in for your small Milwaukees. So any application you have, you can plug it right in. So here we go. Talk about some power. Woo-hoo. Pretty kind of makes you go there, you know what I'm saying? So, and with all of that, most people, of course, put it on a toggle switch. Now, for all the components that you find in this, we also carry all the replacements. We have a replacement wiring harness, and we have a replacement breather. And like I said, we have the 7 foot hose if the 3 foot hose isn't long enough for you, depending on where you mount it. But the coolest thing about everything that we offer with these helmet blowers is this MagLock kit. This thing is sweet. So when you get your MagLock kit, let's just shove that down there. Look how it looks. Okay. When you get your MagLock kit, it comes with 3 pieces. The first piece, that is pretty tight, I'm telling you what. God, I just made it. Okay. So it comes with 3 pieces. 1 piece will go in your helmet, 1 piece will go on the end of the hose, and there, I mean, you put them pretty far apart and then get them closer. Bam. Pretty good stuff right there. It takes a lot of force to get that undone. The third piece in this kit is a MagLock magnetic deal. You put this on the top of your roof or on the bar or anything, so when you take your hose off, you can plug it up and get it out of the way when you're washing your car so no water gets down in your blower or your hose. So you don't get, well, blowed on by water. Now, with this kit, It starts out at $280.99. But make sure you keep an eye out because we run specials throughout the summer on these and drop them down to $249.99. So if you have any questions, call us at 865-354-9669 or go order yours today at ppmracingproducts.com. Thank y'all.